I'm sitting in a 2020 Police Interceptor Durango. We're going to program two of these proxies in. We have our cable plugged in down through here in the star connector. So let's get started. Go to Dodge, Durango, pin extraction. It'll go up to 19, but 20s are the same. Repin. (6277). We will exit. The program keys. Pin's already saved. Okay. Take the prox. Hold it close here. Just press the unlock button twice. Pull it away. Try it again. Okay. That one's programmed. I'm going to do the same thing with the next one. Program key. Okay. Hold it up here. Okay, 6 keys programmed. Turn the hazards off. Unplug. Our buttons work. Yep. Turn it on. And we're good to go.